Welcome. Today, we explore a fascinating intersection of ancient wisdom and modern science. We are looking at homeopathy through the lens of nanomedicine, where ultra-dilutions reveal powerful effects. At the core of this principle is hormesis, a biological phenomenon of dose response. Hormesis describes how low doses of a substance can stimulate a beneficial biological response. In homeopathy, these nanoparticles act as signaling molecules to trigger self-healing. The process begins with sublingual administration, where molecules meet the oral mucosa. This route bypasses digestion, allowing direct interaction with the sublingual nerve. These homeopathic molecules initiate a signal that travels rapidly through the nervous system. The target is the HPA axis, the command center for our body's stress response and balance. In homeopathy, we have traditionally called this internal regulatory system the vital force. Modern science now identifies this vital force as the physiological functionality of the HPA axis. Once stimulated, the HPA axis works to restore equilibrium throughout the body. It triggers a cascade of hormones and signals that optimize cellular repair and function. The hormetic dose acts as a catalyst, reminding the body of its own blueprint for health. This isn't just treating a symptom, it's a systemic recalibration of the entire organism. The direct link from the sublingual nerve to the brain ensures a rapid, precise response. Nanoparticles interact with receptors in a way that conventional medicine often overlooks. This adaptive response is what makes homeopathic treatment so gentle yet profound. By stabilizing these feedback loops, the HPA axis calms inflammation and stress. The end result is homeostasis, the natural state of health we are designed to maintain. The higher the dilution, the more refined the nanoparticle signal becomes. Think of it as a microsignal that yields a macro-level biological shift. This scientific bridge helps us understand why homeopathy remains relevant in the age of nanomedicine. When the vital force is strong, the body can overcome almost any internal imbalance. It is a holistic approach that treats the individual as a whole, dynamic system. In summary, homeopathy works by speaking the language of the body's own regulatory systems. From sublingual nerves to the HPA axis, the journey to health is efficient and scientifically grounded. Thank you for exploring the nanomedicine of homeopathy with us today. Stay healthy. This presentation was scripted and directed by Dr. Suneeth Mathew. For more information, you can reach out via the contact details shown on screen.